كنترول كانسل بارت 20. احنا بنحل ايه يا حبايبي؟ بنحل جون
20.
20 بيبر 32 تاسك الويب بيج، وهنكمل عليها بكره عشان نعمل الفيديو. تمام. اقفل دي يا كراميلا كده، اقفل دي كانسل. ماشي. اول ستيب يا كرم، ارجع للفولدر بتاعنا يا حبي.
مهم.
امم the other one. Yes. عملنا فولدر اسمه AB, and in this folder we added the files as asked in the question paper. حلو. بعدين قال لنا افتح دي في الفوتوشوب. يلا نفتح الفوتوشوب يا حبي. حلو الكلام. هنعمل
Wait,
cropping.
miss, it may not work because it's 2024. Wait, it just I need to wait because this is 2024 and the last time I
يلا يا حبي.
um,
Open the Photoshop. I believe you opened it already.
I don't know what happened. I think it crashed.
Once I click on the record button.
I think this is the cropped one. Wait, this is the cropped one.
You remember the width and the height given to you in the question paper? Did you add
200.
ايوه. لا، بص انا عايزاك تبقى ارق من كده. بص بص. Open the dimension and just add them over there. Do the clearing part. اعمل clear الاول يا كرم. دوس. دوس cancel من هنا. cancel. cancel يا حبي.
Yeah, I'm just putting that.
It's not responding or what. حلو. دوس clear so there is no dimension. Now add the dimension given to you in the question paper. فاكرهم كانوا كام؟
Are they on the no?
Do you have the question paper? Let me open it for you. It was okay. Oh, 265 in the width, 456. 265, 265, 456.
Mm-hmm.
بس كروب بقى جميل. دوس enter. Save this one as 20 32
بس
20.
لما أخلص ينفع تقولي عشان مش عايز أمشي.
32 again,
اه
miss.
ماشي. حال 20 32 ACC. بتقول ايه يا عمرتي؟ سلمت.
لا، بس في الجراف اللي بتاع بار شارت مش عارفه صح ولا لا.
حتى في الشارت يعني. طيب حاضر ثانية واحدة. بس كده خلاص يا كرم. Did you save the picture on the AB folder?
Yep.
That's we are ready to go. Go to the web page. حالا يا عمر حالا. Go to web page. To the web expression الابلكيشن الجديد بتاعنا اللي هنعمل بيه الويب بيج يا صديقي. يا صديقي.
This one I open it. Yeah, I open it.
اوكي.
Okay,
يلا
I'll
بقى.
be sure. I'll be sure.
can you share again? Site. Site. Open site. Open site. Site open site. We going to point to the folder that contain your support file that called ABE. هنروح للفولدر اسمه ABE. احنا حاطينه فين بقى؟ الديسكتوب ولا فين؟
See,
مهم.
miss, all of this. Um,
بس open. It
what?
look like there is no item. بس it's already
Oh,
there.
yeah, I remember you said that earlier today. Yes.
Where are the rest of the files؟ معنا المفروض حاطين في فولدر ال AB ده كل حاجة. نرجع نتأكد كده بعد إذنك. بس رجع لي كده للفولدر اللي فيه support files.
I know what happened. I know what happened.
Okay,
I
copy
need to move
copy the
everything.
support files into the AB folder. أيوة دي. أيوة. خدهم كلهم copy ما عدا السمري. ما عدا ايه؟ ال CSV اللي اسمه summary. All except the summary. أيوة. Copy them and go to the AB folder. حلو 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 حلو. Paste. نرجع بقى هنا. Go again to the ايوه.
Then
how to return it
refresh.
back. we need to refresh. الريفرشنج انت هتقف عند. اديني فرصة بس يا صديقي كده. اديني access
5
بس.
seconds.
can you give me access.
Then okay. I wanted to see. I gave you.
اوكي جميل. اوكي. هنحتاج هنا في الفولدر هنا. هنا ده folder name هنا كده. اوكي. just click F5 from the keyboard. it will refresh and return all the files. حلو. in this step they asking you to create a new web page. you're going to click on a new document. okay. this one should be saved on the same folder. this one should be saved on the same folder called AB. اوكي. تمام. Now, if you check the question paper, do you have the question paper here?
No.
Let
Do you
me
have it?
see you on the chat box. If you open the question paper, it's supposed to be, if you remember, it's supposed to be how many columns and how many rows. It should be table, insert table. It should be
5
yes, and 3
with
columns.
3.
And we checked the column width. If you remember the row, how the width of the table, it was 855. So this one should be adjusted from here. And they said that all of the dimensions on pixel. فعملناها pixel. Okay? Make sure it's pixel, not percentage. اهي pixels. Okay? Now, what happened to the first row? Right click,
It will right click on it. Merge
merge, and
cells.
it was A. Then, what happened to the second row? Right click,
Merge
برافو عليك, modify, merge, and it was B.
B.
Just write the letter now because it will help you later. Then C, D, E,
F,
F,
E,
G, and for
H.
F, both of these two rows are merged.
Merge. So as the G.
Add also the G, برافو عليك. And for this row, nothing was merged. صح? And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and this one is I. Now, what you need to do is to add the dimension as well for each cell. Right click, cell properties. Right click, cell properties. For the first column, it was write with me the height and what you mean. The width was 855. يلا specify width. You have the control on your device. 855 and the height should be 200. عمر لو انا معطلاك تطلع ونخش تاني نشوف لك الشارت اللي انت عايزه ولا it's okay you can wait.
I can wait.
ماشي اوكي. شكرا يا روح. Go to the second row. Do the same thing. 855 480. Cell properties. You are on a cell and you need to adjust the cell. الله يرضى عليك. 855 and the height 480. Good job. So, cell C, D, and E, so you can select the three of them. They are
Cell C, D, and what?
C, D, E. The third row, the entire row. Yes, cell properties 265 for the width and 60 for the height. Okay. For cell F, it should be 265 and the height should be 456. 456. This should be done also for letter G, the next cell. It's already adjusted for it. Now, H should be 265 and 274. For I, it should be 265, 162. In the question paper, they also said the border should be fully visible. To do that, go to the code, and after on the opening tag of the table, add a new
Miss, can you show
attribute.
how did we get here?
The
What did
code
you do to
from down. Do you see the down part here? Design code,
Mhm.
design code. Do you see it? Just
Yeah.
only click on the code, and if you want to add a border, this is the best way to do it with the minimal working. So it's the most efficient way. Okay. Of course, we can do it from the CSS, but in this question paper, they asked to make it from the HTML.
Okay.
Nice. Then the next step is asking you to place on cell A the logo image. So what you are going to do is remove cell A.
Wait. I want to try.
Yes, drag and drop logo.
Insert.
No need والله ما فيش احلى من دي يا بيبي. بص مش دي لوجو اهي. drag and drop.
Okay.
Okay, then they ask you to add alternative text, to add the alternative text logo image or image of logo اي حاجة. تمام. For the video we are going to explain tomorrow inshallah. Now in letter C, replace C with location. شيل C وحط location. شيل D
With
وحط
this
accommodation. Location.
location. Where is location?
Just write the text location.
Okay. Location.
Okay. Cell D, replace it with accommodation. D with accommodation. C with beach.
Miss, what was C again?
What did you delete it? Why?
You said again? C
C
is what?
location, D accommodation, E beach.
Okay, you said C.
See, you wrote them correctly. Why did you delete them?
Beach. Okay, what's next?
Now replace F with make this line H2. How to change the style of the text you see
Well,
from the top
H2, what do you
up.
mean H2?
Heading to.
Okay.
H2 means heading to. Okay.
Mhm.
Then change F. You're going to delete F and replace it with the image called view. View. حلو. Add
What's
an
the alternative?
alternative text like for example location image. Then replace G with the new accommodation image that we cropped from the Photoshop. Yes, this one. And rename it accommodation image if you wish. You had to put alternative text, appropriate one, okay? So that's why we said so.
Yeah.
Replace H with beach. And of course, you can name it beach image. Now, this image, the last three ones, should have the width 256 maintained aspect ratio, okay? So select only the one by one. You can't do that. You can't select all of the pictures at once, Yukara. So what you need to do is double click on the image, double click on the picture that you feel that it's large, go to appearance, and you have to make sure that you change this one into 256 maintained aspect ratio. So this one should be kept okay, or checked. Okay, Karam?
Okay,
Sorry.
miss.
uh of course, as you can see, the other picture really changed correctly, but you can double checking. Okay, it's not 56, sorry, it's 65. Okay, then make sure that the other image are really correct by doubling click on it and check the appearance. It should be correct, and this one as well, they are correct, so you're ready to go. Now what you need to do is replace I with web page last updated by, then add your candidate details. Web page last updated by.
Uh,
Just start typing.
web page. What?
Okay,
Famous.
make this one H3. H3.
Um,
H3. Okay. Then that's it for now. You need to attach the style sheet. How you can attach style sheet? Drag and drop. This was the style sheet that we need to include. Just drag and drop. You will find that the text really changed. Can you tell?
yeah.
Okay, so now the style sheet is applied. This is a presentation layer external sheet. We are going to discuss it later, inshallah, on the presentation layer. Okay, but for now, this is how we attach a style sheet um to the HTML. Okay, now change default target. How to do that? Right click. You remember? Page properties, default target, new window, and they ask you to make it blank. Okay. Now we need you to create hyperlink from location and the image below. So right click. That's what you took
Location.
at the beginning of the class. I believe you remember how to do it.
Yeah.
This should be
Location.
AB2, and the target frame should be location. So I'm going to change a new window and change this one into location. You will repeat the same steps for the hyperlink again, but this time with the image. Okay, AB2, target frame, new window. This one should be location as well. Okay, that's it. Now for the next step is asking you to change or to add a hyperlink for this details for all of the cell of content cell I. This should be a hyperlink to send email, and you will write the email and subject that given in the question paper. Okay, it
Okay.
was can you write ab@cambridgeinternational.org .cambridge. Sorry.
What?
Sorry.
Oh,
Write down. And for the Cambridge international.org. Okay, .org. And for the subject as inquiry about alieno or alieno.
again, miss,
Alienoia.
what?
I'm giving you the spelling. Inquiry. Inquiry about. ماشي بس يعني you have to write it exactly as given in the question page.
Miss, the eight that considered as a star, is it only in Egypt or all around the world?
لا in Egypt. No, in Egypt only, I believe. Other
Oh,
countries, there will be differences about maybe 2% or something like that. Like in Jordan, for example, 9 is 100%, but 8 is maybe 96, 98. I don't remember.
okay, miss.
Mm. We are ready to go. Now what you need to do is to take evidence. You have two evidence for this one. First of all, from the HTML, he asking you to create a new Word document, a new evidence document. Okay?
Miss, I know what to do.
يلا بينا.
Just over here. That's it, or
We are almost done, but there is another screenshot. Okay, so paste this evidence
do I
first.
add?
Paste. Yes, this is the first evidence. وال HTML مهم جدا يا كرم لان بيحط عليه درجات على كل كلمة مكتوبة. تمام. الويدث والهايبرلينكس والسبجكت الحاجات دي يعرفها منين؟ يعرفها من الكود. الالترناتيف تكست كل الكلام ده. حلو. فاضل ايه بقى يا بوبو؟ ان انت to display on the browser. Okay, do you remember how to do it?
Oh, yeah.
يلا show
Wait.
me. Don't forget to save first. You need to save.
Then publish.
You can. But really easier one is to just right click on the web page name here or click F12 from the keyboard or open
Yeah,
with
that's what I
أي
was trying
حاجة.
to find.
Okay, then don't forget you need to restore. بص يا كرم الحتة دي خطيرة. You need to restore.
What
Okay,
does it mean?
do you see this part when you minimize or
Mm-hmm.
maximize? Okay, why? Because I'm going now to zoom in a little bit, zoom out a little bit to allow the page to be fully displayed in one screenshot. Okay,
Yes.
make sure everything is fully visible. Make sure that the address bar is visible. You can get the end of the address bar if you wish. You can minimize the width a little bit. Now you're ready to take your screenshot. This one should be included from the top. يعني لازم الادرس بار يبقى باين يا كرم. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Then
Miss,
this is your second screenshot.
in the exam, must the evidence file and everything printed to be in colored or black
No.
and white?
They said it could be black and white. That's why even in most of the centers they are black and white.
Yes.
Anything else?
No.
ماشي جميل. And this is the end of June 20. Tomorrow we'll continue adding the video.